Concealed carried firearms will be allowed in a number of previously prohibited spaces, at least for now. It took the U.S. Supreme Court to get involved, and St. Lawrence County's attorney is part of the legal team that just got the win out of Washington.
Despite all that's happening, we are still catching those W's. Welcome to another installment of the Connecticut Gun Bench. Today's video is brought to you by P.A.N. Firearms, LLC. P.A.N. Firearms, your NRA certification of multifaceted gun training. You can reach us at 203-300-6343 or use our website at www.panfirearmsllc.com. As always, there'll be a link in the description box below, and if you like channel like content and what I do here, you can support me with the link. Everything is appreciated. And as my PSA for everyone, if your comments keep disappearing, I am not doing it. There seems to be some real issues with specific channels of a specific nature having comments deleted. Need I go any further with that? But if your comment keeps disappearing, I'm not doing it. I want to take just a slight break from what obviously happened out there in Pennsylvania with Trump. I was going to make a series of videos on that. But something has happened with the Supreme Court, and I want to get that information out there because believe me, there is a whole lot more to talk about when it comes to this incident in Butler, Pennsylvania, for sure, as more and more information is being released. But let's talk about this. And this is big news. 2 days ago, the Supreme Court is hearing New York sensitive areas law. Now, what the New York State basically did, and this is in response to Bruin. Remember, this has been going on for years. But right after Bruin, New York invoked a whole new set of areas where a person could not carry a firearm. Immediately, a lawsuit went into effect. And it's been traveling through the courts and going back and forth. But the Supreme Court finally got a hold of it and stated that, no, this is not kosher. We're not going to let this go. Second Circuit, you're going to have to look at this again. And we're letting you know that you need to come correct, or else we're going to basically overturn it. This, of course, opens the door for concealed carry permit holders in New York to be able to carry in areas that New York arbitrarily decided were sensitive areas, which was pretty much everywhere for the most part. But you saw some of the video. Let me go ahead and play the rest.
Not every day that you have the United States Supreme Court agree with you.
St. Lawrence County's attorney Stephen Button became affiliated with Gun Owners of America during their multi-year legal battle with New York State, challenging the state's Concealed Carry Improvement Act. The act came with new qualifications for people to obtain a pistol permit, including having applicants prove good moral character and having to submit social media accounts to be reviewed. The organization called the Concealed Carry Improvement Act unconstitutional. In court 2 years ago, U.S. Northern District Judge Glenn Sotheby sided in large part with the Gun Owners of America. The state appealed to the Second Circuit Court of Appeals. It sided in large part with the state. Gun Owners of America took it to the U.S. Supreme Court, where just a couple weeks ago, it overturned the Second Circuit Court of Appeals decision, sending it back to the appeals court for another look.
We're very positive, we're very optimistic that the Second Circuit has gotten a message from the Supreme Court that they were not happy with the decision that we received.
What does that mean for New Yorkers? Button says until the Second Circuit issues a new ruling, Judge Sotheby's decision will stand, meaning the vast majority of prohibited spaces previously upheld by the Second Circuit are no longer valid. Though schools, hospitals, and government buildings will be off limits to lawful concealed carry, where lawful concealed carry can apparently happen now include bars, restaurants, churches, and more. Button also says providing social media information is struck down as well.
Right now, we're back to where we were as if the Second Circuit had never issued its decision.
Button hopes the Second Circuit will go with Judge Sotheby's decision. And Button is involved in the legal fight because he feels the state should abide by the Constitution when it comes to firearms.
Heard that and you saw that. Once again, another W. The Second Circuit is going to get it back, which means the law is not in effect at this time until the Second Circuit once again makes their ruling. And the Second Circuit is flagrantly liberal, flagrantly Democrat. you know they're going to say that, yeah, this law is good, you know, we need to have this law, and it's going to have to go back to the Supreme Court, and the Supreme Court's going to have to hear it and say, no, it's not, and overturn it completely. But for now, New York residents who have a concealed carry permit, you can carry in those sensitive areas that the law struck down, which is good news. Once again, another big plus. But let me know what you think. As always, you can leave your comments in the comment section below. And as always, any statements of violence or statements that lead to violence will be removed. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you're notified the next time a video goes live. I'm going to see you on the next one. Peace.